All right. Hello, everybody. I'm Kamini,
I'm Vinayak.
and we are Podneeti, and this is our podcast.
This is a podcast.
Welcome to our podcast. Okay, so we've done a lot of stupid
Stuff.
yes, but we've also spoken about them in the last few episodes in general with dating,
We
etc.
realize every day. Today was the better realization, I guess.
Of
कि हम जब तक खाते नहीं हम काम नहीं कर पाते.
absolutely. I think और बिना खाए जो गलत हो सकता है वो गलत होता है. So
Exactly.
I think it's important we eat before we do anything.
We do anything.
पर,
So yes, story for you guys. So today we thought of shooting something in the car, and we couldn't obviously because there was stuff going on. चीजें अच्छे से नहीं बैठ रही थी and everything. So we went to a cafe. We sat and we started eating. Then we started feeling good because हम औरत बन चुके हैं.
To
Okay.
know that reference, go watch Gary Talk. If it is out, if it is not, you will know. And
हमें
wait for
हमें
it.
we have no say.
हमको नहीं पता ये कब आने वाला है, हम नहीं कर सकते ना. हमको ट्राइपॉड सेटअप करने में आधा घंटा लगता है, ठीक है, हमको नहीं आता ये सब. बट
Anyways,
हाँ,
yes.
तो हम ठूस रहे थे and we saw this couple next to our table and
And
they
there were
had
roses.
roses थे, flowers थे,
There were flowers.
whatever.
And
There
then-
were flowers
yeah.
and we like flowers.
आज
And
कुछ है क्या?
आज क्या है?
So marking today's date, it's 7th of February and it is supposed to be Rose Day, one of the Valentine's
Wait, but
week stuff.
I thought it started with like basic things like chocolate teddy. I don't even remember कि dates कौन से होते हैं Valentine week में. And to the point कि इतने single हैं हम कि हमको फूल देख के याद आ रहा है कि Valentine's week है. What is क्या होते हैं Valentine's week में यार? मेरे को मोटे मोटे पता है कि chocolate teddy, flower.
I don't
पर कब
even
क्या
I
होता है
don't
मुझे
know
नहीं
the
याद है.
sequence. Wait, let me Google it.
2 hours later.
So 7th is Rose, 8th Propose, 9th Chocolate, 10th Teddy, 11th Promise, 12th Kiss, 13th Hug. I think Hug को ऊपर होना चाहिए, Kiss को नीचे. Kiss is more intimate.
Well, in our generation.
19th is Valentine's Day.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry, 14th is Valentine's Day.
Wow, champion!
Like 19th.
But have you, okay, so did you do a lot of Valentine week, etc. growing up or like as an adult?
On that note, I think I've never been in a relationship on Valentine's week. एक साल छोड़ के.
Yeah, but people
And
don't
I
need
know-
to be in a relationship. to do
I have
Valentine's
done
Day.
one proper full ekdam when I was in college, and I did with my sisters. I gave them chocolate teddy. I did for them, and served it with you.
Yeah, it's a nice thing to do.
Yeah.
I think also Valentine's is romanticized because of capitalism, but ठीक है.
There are posts going on Instagram कि इतने पैसे बच जाएंगे अगर आप वो करोगे.
Yeah.
50 रुपए का गुलाब,
Yeah,
300 रुपए की
valid.
टेडी, 200
Yeah.
रुपए का
Yeah,
चॉकलेट.
that's of course कंजूसों के लिए तो valid, but I also feel कि Valentine in itself is a little stupid to do.
I don't.
अरे वही है ना
Pro
कि
Max into all of these things.
वही कि it's all cringe until you
You
do
are in
it. So I've never done
But
it.
I have never felt like a cringe. I mean, after the relationship, after the breakup, all. मेरे को ठीक ही लगता है. Like,
I don't know, different thoughts because I don't like a lot of pink or red or gulab for that matter. तुम दोगे क्या मुझे? I'm very difficult that way.
Okay.
Teddy तो I don't think मैं बचपन में भी Teddy से खेलूँ यार. तो
एक मेरे को हमेशा से लाइफ साइज टेडी चाहिए था बचपन में, बट जब से मैं बड़ा हुआ मेरे को वो क्रिंज लगता
Teddy is a little cringe. Out of the entire week, propose rose चलो फिर भी chocolate तो I'm behind. Please give me. पर बाकी I'm just like तो ये थोड़ा weird तो है. खैर तो in school, college, did you have like you said you were into it? I was never. But have you done a lot of things in school, college? बताओ. tea
After
दो.
college, tea, you want tea? I would like to say I'm a gentleman and I don't kiss and tell.
हम मालूम है तेरे बाप को मत सिखा चल.
अच्छा Bridgerton हो रहा है, but ठीक है.
I am a gentleman. I am a gentleman.
Have you had things done for you on Valentine?
Great things done for me on Valentine.
Great, and we'll leave it at that.
We'll leave it at that.
I think my only Valentine memory is in school. I remember.
Who? I was in school with you.
No.
Not
अरे
that
2
school.
साल
अच्छा,
था.
oh, sorry.
उससे पहले भी मैं स्कूल गई हूँ. पर I just remember school में I think somebody gave it to somebody पर नाम मेरा लग गया.
There were
And
two
then-
Kaminis.
No. Somebody gave it, got caught, and so then they blamed it on me कि ये कर रही थी. And I was
Congratulations.
not in school that day.
You had a Valentine.
Yeah, Yeah, and I was like, अरे बेगानी शादी में अब्दुल्ला दीवाना क्यों हो रहा है? And then teachers called me in, and I was like, भाई मैं leave पे थी, मुझे पता भी नहीं क्या है, मैं तो आई भी नहीं थी. But it became a thing, which is probably also why I hate Valentine's. It gives me friendship trauma. That yeah.
Okay.
I've gotten chocolates and stuff which I ate clearly, but rose so I don't remember getting a such on Valentine's. I've never done the full week क्योंकि क्या ये सब.
Okay, now that you are 30, you are 30, right?
I am.
Yeah. So, are you still into it? And what do you think if you get into a relationship afterwards? Will you be into it?
I don't think so. I've never been into it. I don't think I'm into it right now. I don't think I will get into it also. I don't see the point of it.
Okay.
I need off affirmations every day. तुम एक दिन 14 तारीख को क्या बोल रहे हो कि will you be my Valentine? रोज
नहीं
बोल.
नहीं 14 को नहीं बोल
हाँ,
पहले
propose
बोलते
day,
हैं
propose day. When is propose day? I don't really get.
Just a second, I will tell. It is on 11th. Everyone remember
11th.
11th. If this episode comes before 11th.
It will not. हाँ.
Yes, but if I would have been and if I will be, then yes, I will be. I think so.
Okay, valid.
Because once, why until unless it's not happening with you, wala scene.
Valid.
So, it'll take आदमी. So do we have anything more?
So I think वही है कि विनायक because he's Vinayak is very much into it, and my opinion is नहीं ना थे ना होंगे ना हो पाएगा. So that's the end to the Valentine episode, I guess. Very short, like the week.
Yeah. ये तो हम इसलिए शूट कर रहे हैं कि अगर कुछ रहा नहीं तो ये डाल देंगे.
बोलना नहीं होता.
बोलना नहीं.
हाँ, ठीक है.
सब पता होना चाहिए इंटरनेट को. Okay. So on this note, I hope by next year you are in a good healthy relationship and you are with someone and then you celebrate all these days.
How about fuck?